Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy that you dropped by. This is the video that I promised you guys where I would be showing you what I made at my churches, I guess we can say. My girlfriend's having this thing called Craft and Chat 2 times a month, and I'm so excited about it. And I promised you in that Dollar Tree haul, because I was hauling stuff to use at that Craft and Chat, that I would show you the finished product, and if I was allowed, I would film there. Well, excuse me, my girlfriend was like, absolutely, you can film here. So I filmed, and I love this idea because not only do you guys get to see what I did, but you're going to get to see what a whole bunch of other people did too. It's the same project, but everybody's looks completely different than the other person's, which I find so cool. So you're going to get to see a bunch, but it's displayed behind me. And I want to show you how simple it is to put together, and it turned out so cute. So to do this simple project, you're going to need a canvas, glue sticks, some fall leaves from the Dollar Tree, black paint, a sponge brush, and white paint pens. That's it. That's all you need to do this project. It is so easy, but it is so much fun. I got my canvas from Lovies for $2.29, but I'm sure you can get canvases anywhere. And to get this project going, you're just going to get the black paint on the canvas. You can do 2 coats, which will give you like a really bright black background, or you can do 1 coat and a little bit of that white will show through and it looks a little bit more rustic. I did 1 coat because I liked a little bit of a rustic look, but it takes no time to get the paint down. You let it dry. See how the little white pops through? I think that looks nice. You let it dry, and then you're ready to move on to the next step, which is making your design. And in that, all you're going to do is design how you want your leaves to look like they're falling on your canvas or framing your canvas, however you want. I did mine, like that's what I just showed you. They're just like laid out on the canvas before I actually glued them down. And I wanted some like at the top in the corner and then 2 in the bottom corner. And I love that. And I did a mix of the new leaves that came to the Dollar Tree, which were some of those burlap leaves and some of those felt leaves. And then I mixed it with the leaves that are always at the Dollar Tree. And I love the variety because it gave the canvas a lot of texture and a lot of variety, and I really like that. And then all you have to do to attach it is use your hot glue gun. If you don't have a hot glue gun, I'm sure E6000, which you can also get at the Dollar Tree, would work great. Maybe super glue, Elmer's glue. I think any kind of glue really would work except for stick glue to get your leaves from the Dollar Tree down, but hot glue seems to be the easiest. Just don't burn yourself. And that's it. You're just going to get the leaves down in any form that you want. It is so stinking cute when they come together. So what are you doing, Polly? You're sewing?
Yeah, I'm putting blessed. Be blessed.
Be blessed with, and she's sewing. You're going to be on YouTube. Hold it up a little, Polly. Show her. Oh, that's cute.
So are you like embroidering? Is that what you're, or you're just sewing?
Just straight stitch.
Okay.
I just wanted you guys to see that my friend Polly there, she's actually sewing on her canvas. So I mean, the possibilities to this project could be endless. You could add anything. And then this is where the white paint marker is going to come into play. Everybody's going to kind of write their own little fall saying. Some people chose not to, and then some people did. And then some people wrote their little fall saying very small because they wanted to add a picture. So this is what I'm talking about. These can be done in so many fun, very creative, very different ways. But all in all, this project only takes about 10 to 15 minutes to make because the longest process is just waiting for the black paint to dry so that you could actually glue on your leaves in the design that you want. So this project took no time at all. I think this project would be super fun to do with children. Get them a canvas of their own and let them have fun. Just let them, their creativity go. And I understand that you may not want them to use a hot glue gun, but I really do think like super glue, Elmer's glue, I think that would work just as well. We had so much fun with this. I think they turned out adorable. Look how cute. Love it, love it, love it. This is the teacher, actually. Her name is Tish. She's my girlfriend. She's the one who's running this craft and chat. I just wanted to show you her working on hers. This is mine, and we're going to get them all together. And look at us, aren't we adorable? I love how these turned out. After I got home, I took my frame and I added a raffia bow and took that white paint marker and added some quote-unquote sparkles to bring new life to my frame. This is the corner in my kitchen where I really would like to put my little, I don't know what you want to call it, plaque, my little fall plaque. And this is the before. This is like my everyday look here. This is what I got going on. Simple and plain. And this is my fall after. I am very proud of this. I think this turned out beautiful. Probably tell that was such an easy project, but look how cute everybody's turned out. I absolutely love how this project turned out. As you saw, one lady, her name was Polly, she actually sewed in her canvas, and as you can see, there was different sizes. There was some sizes like mine, there was some smaller sizes, there was some bigger sizes, and everybody did something different. One lady, I think it was Polly, she made her leaves in the shape of a heart, sewed on the canvas. Other people did it from all one side. Some people put down below. My friend Lisa, she didn't have a picture, but the way that she did all of her leaves, she wrote real small on the bottom and she left this big space open in the middle, and she's actually going to take a picture of her daughters in fall leaves and put the picture on the canvas once she gets the picture taken of her daughters. So this project can be done in so many ways, and that's why I was really happy that my girlfriend allowed me to videotape here, because I love that you guys get to see so many different things. Not just my project, but how everybody did the same project, but there can be done in so many different ways. And that's one of the reasons why I really am so excited to share this kind of like series that I'm doing with my friend at church called Craft and Chat. And I mean, what is more fun than a whole bunch of ladies getting together, crafting? We all bring, like, it's like a potluck. Everybody brings some food. So like while the paint was drying on the canvas, we ate and chatted, and then we went back to crafting. We had so much fun. It was a great afternoon. I am so going to enjoy this, and I hope to share all of it with you guys. And I just wanted to tell you, I was showing you at the beginning there, I got my canvas at this place called Lovies, and that size canvas was only I think it was $2.98. If you don't have an Lovies, Michael's canvases go on sale off and on, or you could always use like your 40% off coupon and get a cheap canvas. So this project is so easy, and I was even thinking after I got this home, because of course I can hang this up. I don't have to display it like this on my counter, it's just how I liked it. But if you use the little hooks that the canvas comes with, you could hang it on your wall. You could make it a little bigger and fuller and use it like as an actual wreath on a door. Or like my girlfriend's going to do, she's going to put pictures of her children on it and use it like a big frame. So many different things you could do with this. So I don't want to ramble on and on and on. I just wanted to share this project with you. I was so excited about it. So glad that you guys got to see different styles of it. And I'm so excited to be able to share this stuff with you. I have no idea what we're doing next Wednesday, but I can't wait to find out and share that with you as well. But anyways, guys, I'm going to quit rambling. Just super stoked. You know how I get over fun crafts, especially fall, my favorite time of the year. But I love it. I love how it looks on my counter. It just makes my home feel so warm and cozy. And this project costs nothing. I mean, my frame, my canvas, I should say, was $2.98. I bought like 3 bags of leaves. I needed some black paint and some hot glue. So let's say this cost me $10. I think that's even pushing it, maybe like $8. I think $8 for that. So for $8, I think I got a beautiful piece that I know that I'll use year after year that I created. And that's the best part about DIYs. So guys, as always, take care of you. Enjoy the brand new season that is upon us. And always do what you love. And I will be talking to you in the next crafty video very soon. Till then, bye!